Okay.
Right, I'm Nigel Melican and my company is Teacraft, and this year I'll be helping out at the tea making classes. The hands-on tea making classes run over 2 days, and you will have 4 instructors. That will be Donna Fellman and Bill Waddington and Suze Hammond and myself. And we all have different aspects of in the tea business, but we all know very well how to make tea. Now what we do is ship in tea from around the United States, the green leaf, we bring it in fresh, and there will be 4 tea making stations, and everyone will get a chance to make each tea. The teas we make: black tea, green tea, oolong tea and white tea. What we do at the end is we cup all these teas and we taste them, and if anything goes wrong, we discuss why it went wrong, how it went wrong, what we should have done about it. And it's really more instructive to see the failures, to analyse the failures, than it is the successes. And the added benefit is that you will go home, if all goes well, with a sample of the tea you made. So come along and join us, it should be fun.